Love ice cream? I know I do. Choose a low-fat ice version, or just eat delicious in-season fruit. Making smart food choices is important. Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Soden with some smart ways to avoid heartburn. You probably know you should steer clear of trigger foods and food groups like citrus, tomato, chocolate, alcohol, caffeine, and anything spicy. But that doesn't mean you have to have a boring diet. Here are a few simple tips. Don't fry food. Bake, roast, or broil instead. Skip tomato sauce and toss your whole grain pasta in a broth-based sauce flavored with basil and thyme. Trade creamy salad dressings for olive oil and a little cider. Put down the potato chips. Get your crunch from veggies with a bit of hummus. Swap full-fat dairy products for low-fat sour cream, milk, cream cheese, yogurt, and cheeses. Love ice cream? I know I do. Choose a low-fat ice version, or just eat delicious in-season fruit. Making smart food choices is important, and so is resisting overeating and not lying down right after your meal. Doing either of these can override all the good you just did.